Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to log into NAB Australian online banking account. So first of all, make sure that you have installed NAB online banking application. Then simply tap on the app and launch it. Now, once you come to the app's interface, you'll see the option of Login. If you have not created an account yet, you can see the option that says New to NAB, Apply for an account. You can tap on it and register for your NAB account. So for now, let's tap on the option of Login. Now over here, all you would have to do is enter your NAB ID. Here we go. You can also tap on What's my NAB ID if you are confused. You'll see various details given here. You can also tap View the NAB ID guide if you are not sure about your NAB ID in order to log in. Now let's go back. Now let's enter our password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of Forgot your password in order to recover your NAB online banking account. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of Login, and with that, you will simply be able to log into your NAB online banking account. So that's it for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.